Stocks are up and commodities are dropping this morning. As I speak to you right now, the Dow and the Russell are just above the flat line, but the Nasdaq and the S&P are moving strongly, with the Nasdaq up over 1% and the S&P up over 0.7%. The rotation from last week into small caps and out of tech seems to be reversing, at least this morning. We'll see what happens as we progress through the week. Hard commodities have all dropped, with crude oil falling below $80 a barrel, down a little over 0.7%. Copper's down 1.5%. Silver down 1/3%. Gold is down just short of 0.2%, with yields up on the front end, but actually lower at the 10-year and the 30-year, shifting that curve again in the wrong direction. China surprised the market yesterday by cutting major short and long-term interest rates in a bold move to try and improve their faltering economy. They're cutting the 7-day reverse repo rate to 1.7% from 1.8%, and the 1-year loan prime rate was lowered to 3.35% from 3.45%. It wasn't a big enough move to help copper, obviously. We have a bond auction week, and this is going to be important given what's going on with rates. $69 billion in 2-year notes this week, $70 billion in 5-year notes, and $44 billion in 7-year notes, according to the Treasury Direct website. We also have a re-auctioning of 20-year, but that's not as important. Looking ahead, we get 3-month and 6-month bill auctions today. Earnings today after the close. We have 24 companies reporting with market caps over $1 billion, including SAP Software, NXP Semiconductor, and Cadence Design. In the tech space and in the material space, specifically steel, we get Nucor and Cleveland-Cliffs. Before the market opens tomorrow, there's 40 companies reporting with market caps of $1 billion or more, including Spotify, Comcast, Coca-Cola, Philip Morris, Kimberly-Clark, Lockheed Martin, GE Aerospace, General Motors, UPS, Freeport-McMoRan, and Pulte Group, which is the giant home builder. Data tonight, nothing of note, but tomorrow morning early, we get Chinese foreign direct investment data. Then we get EU consumer confidence, existing home sales in the US, the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, and we also have that 2-year note auction from the US Treasury that I mentioned earlier.